Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best toothbrush for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fine Pets Chew Toothbrush for Dogs. The Fine Pets Dog Chew Toothbrush has a sturdy construction that can handle your dog's constant chewing. The design is also similar, although this toothbrush is slightly smaller. Nonetheless, it is easily one of the best toothbrushes for dogs that you can find on the market. It takes the stress off you, and the dog can brush its teeth itself, and features aligned teeth brushing bristles and even a small pedestal where the pet can place its paws. What's more, the brush is flexible and doubles as a fun chewing experience for your companion, and contained within the package is a cleaning wire, which can be used to clean the brush after use. This is easy to use and doesn't require a strenuous effort to use. Lastly, it also projects a sweet smell that your pup will find irresistible and would want nothing more than to chew it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the RosyLife Pet Soft Toothbrush for Dogs. Sometimes, if you want something done, you have to do it yourself. Naturally, the first 2 brushing sticks aren't for everyone, and if you prefer a more hands-on approach, then RosyLife Pet Dog Soft Toothbrush is the perfect toothbrush. It works with both dogs and cats, and it comes in 2 sets, with the more traditional-looking toothbrushes having brushes on both ends, and also has a set of 4-finger toothbrushes for a more intimate brushing experience. With so many variations, one pack of this product could serve several pets. So, if you have a mixed household, cats and dogs, this is a product uniquely suited to your situation. What's more, these toothbrushes reliably eliminate plaque buildup in your pet's teeth and do a great job in improving your pet's dental hygiene. Additionally, high-quality materials were used to create this product, and it is tough on germs while going easy on your furry companion's gums. At number 3, we have the H&H Pets Dog Toothbrush. The H&H Pets Dog Toothbrush comes in a pack of 8 and can be used for both dogs and cats. It is immaculately constructed with eco-friendly rubber used for the brush, and is a finger brush that can be worn by anyone with a ring finger size between 4 and 7. Also, if the brush is too broad for your finger, you can easily wedge a paper towel between your hand and the toothbrush interior. The bristles are safe and gentle on your pet's gums and can reach more challenging spots much better than other products. It is also pretty affordable and won't cost an arm and a leg to buy, and can be used for quite a while, and the brushes are reusable. With this product, you also get a 60-day money-back guarantee on the off chance that you aren't satisfied with what you've bought. At number 2, we have the BoSHEL Dog Toothbrush Pack. Teeth and gum problems are a real nightmare for pet owners everywhere. This is why the use of toothbrushes for dogs is essential, and the BoSHEL Dog Toothbrush Pack does a great job of getting rid of unwanted plaque on the teeth. The package contains 2 standard toothbrushes with brushes on either end and a finger brush, which enables it to be used with dogs of varying sizes. It also sports an ergonomic design that is comfortable to use. What's more, gripping it is no hassle, and it also has the bonus of being gentle on your pup's gums. Add to the fact that it is a money saver, as you have 3 brushes to use which are all reusable. If you don't like this product, the manufacturer promises 30 days to get your money back. And finally, at number 1, we have the CooZero Dog Dental Care Kit. The CooZero Dog Dental Care Kit is a 2-pack, one-stop shop for all things teeth related to your dog. The kit comes with 8 pieces with regular brushes and finger brushes, and features larger brushes for the front end of the teeth and smaller brushes for the rear. That's not all. The finger brushes are ideal for a more hands-on approach to cleaning your pet's teeth, and are made with high-quality silicone that is durable and gentle on your canine's teeth. This pack even comes with toothpaste that is safe and edible and is manufactured from bone meal, sufficient for puppies and adult dogs. What's more, there is no need to worry about a tummy upset, as the natural ingredients of this product make it an automatic favorite. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon